Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, get ready for an exciting journey into the world of amazing inventions for your garage. Whether you enjoy doing things yourself, love cars, or just want to make your garage better, you're in for a treat. We've picked out the top 12 inventions that will totally change your garage, making it more creative and handy. Don't miss out on invention number 6, REMA TIP, a remarkable tire repair patch, which slashes repair time by 40%. But before we start this awesome garage adventure, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our updates about the newest and coolest tech. Now let's get started. Number 12, 3D Wheel Alignment Stand. To keep your vehicle safe on the road and make your tires last longer, it's crucial to get your wheels aligned correctly. Here's a 3D wheel alignment stand that makes a mechanic's job easier. The standout feature is the machine vision system, which uses advanced cameras to make a digital copy of your car's suspension on a computer. Then it carefully checks this digital copy against a standard model to make sure everything's just right. Special targets are attached to the wheels to help with the alignment. One big plus of these systems is that they're ready to use right after you install them. There's no need for extra adjustments. This makes them handy for repair shops with inspection pits and elevators. However, it's important to know that this kind of precision doesn't come cheap. Prices start at $15,000. Number 11. Car Bench UL 300. It is a valuable system tailored for professionals working on car bodies and frames. This version boasts a substantial lifting capacity of around 7,700 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. With an adjustable height ranging from 4.3 inches to an impressive 5.6 feet, it offers flexibility to accommodate various repair needs. The system's construction is notable, crafted with high-quality alloy steel tubing and utilizing advanced European technology. Its user-friendly design allows a single worker to handle tasks efficiently, and built-in casters, reminiscent of those found on supermarket shopping carts, make it easy to move around. Given the sheer number of passenger cars on the world's roads, totaling 947 million back in 2015, owners of these systems can anticipate a substantial workload. Number 10. AHCon DLS 3500 Double Scissor Lift. Meet the AHCon DLS 3500 Double Scissor Lift, a game changer for workshops. Installing a scissor lift in a workshop can be tough and time-consuming, but Danish engineers have made it easier with this system. It's simple to install and very useful, as the company confirms. What makes it special is its ability to lift heavy loads, up to about 7,700 pounds. Plus, you can adjust the space between the legs as needed. It can reach heights of up to 6.4 feet and fits widths from 4.3 to 9.8 feet. Thanks to the Quick Connect system, setting it up and keeping it in good shape is a breeze. It's perfect for working with various vehicles, like cars, vans, and SUVs. Number 9. Strut Coil Spring Compressor Tool. Next up on our list is a patented tool designed to work with springs. This tool offers a quick solution with a tutorial that lasts just 90 seconds. Its design boasts superior strength and security, surpassing the capabilities of similar tools. Weighing in at approximately 33 pounds, this tool can handle a substantial load, up to 4,000 pounds. To work with it effectively, you'll need a vise, and for added safety, the tool comes with included safety ropes. The tool's reach extends up to 8 inches, making it suitable for various applications. Priced at a modest $300, it offers great value. It's worth noting, however, that some users have expressed concerns in the comments about the tool's tendency to scratch or crumple parts during use. Number 8. Blue Cave Storage System. In any workshop, whether you're a beginner or a pro, finding enough storage space is always a challenge. Luckily, the Blue Cave storage system solves this problem. This 2-in-1 storage solution clears clutter and keeps your tools and gear organized. Its standout feature is the versatile drawers, which work as wall storage or portable cases, each holding up to 22 pounds. You get a drawer, 2 dividers, and a rail in a standard set. What's great is how customizable it is for your workshop's needs. It's not just for dyers, it's also handy for anglers, hunters, campers, and those who want to put it in their vehicles. Prices start at just $140, making it an affordable storage solution. Number 7. GEMS Newt Runner. Imagine you have to remove lots of screws all at once. In this situation, the GEMS Newt Runner comes in really handy. It has attachments for different cordless tools, and the great thing is, you can pick the perfect tool for the job, whether it's drilling, making holes, or tapping. It comes with lots of extra parts that make the job faster and easier. What makes it special is that all the parts spin at the same speed, thanks to one powerful motor. This means your work is consistent and good quality. Before we proceed to the next smart invention for your garage, take a moment to hit the subscribe button below. By doing so, you ensure you're always up to date with our fascinating content. Plus, you'll join a community of like-minded tech enthusiasts and gain access to in-depth explorations of fascinating topics like this one. Don't miss out. Number 6. REMA TIP. Now let's talk about REMA TIP tools. This company's success is evident from its name. In 2020, they made nearly $1 billion in sales, all thanks to their tire repair products. They offer things like heat presses, balancing equipment, and various tools and patches, as you can see on the screen. One standout product is a tire repair patch that cuts repair time by about 40%. It doesn't need extra ventilation and works well on tires facing tough conditions. It's all thanks to a special compound with strong adhesion, making your tire look new again. Number 5. Laser Tools CV Boot Gun. When it comes to quickly and easily installing flexible CV boots, even large ones, the Laser Tools CV Boot Gun is a top choice. For experienced drivers, the CV joint is essential for heavy loads, and a damaged boot can harm it. This tool uses compressed air to make boot replacement easier. The instructional video is short, just 5 minutes, showing how user-friendly it is. The maker even recommends it for professional garages. Remember, it only works with flexible CV boots, which are more suitable for this kind of installation. Users in the comments say it costs around $248. Number 4. Mini Ductor Venom HP. Introducing the Mini Ductor Venom HP, another tool designed for a similar purpose. This tool comes to the rescue when a fastener is stuck or rusted. Just 15 seconds of induction and heating can work wonders in solving the problem. Moreover, this versatile tool has applications beyond just freeing stuck fasteners. It can also be a handy aid in repairs, such as straightening small dents in a vehicle's body, assisting with heat-shrinking parts, and facilitating the heating process for vinyl coating. What sets this device apart is its smart design, allowing precise heating of specific areas without causing damage to the surrounding components. Additionally, heat is evenly distributed around the entire circumference, eliminating the need for constant tool movement. The manufacturer offers various models with different power outputs, including options with 1 or 2 kilowatts of power. Prices for this tool start at a reasonable $650. Number 3. Equalizer TSK 710 Terminator. If we follow the Terminator movie timeline, advanced cyborg assassins might be on the horizon. While we wait for that, let's explore a different kind of Terminator, the Equalizer TSK 710 Terminator, made for fixing windshields. This machine does most of the repair work with minimal human help, as claimed by the maker. But remember, some initial setup is needed. After that, you choose a program, and it does the rest. This Terminator stands out for being highly automated, unlike anything else in the market, according to the company's website. It uses vacuum technology to fix issues like chips, cracks, and other windshield problems that trap dirt and moisture. But it's quite expensive, starting at $2,700 for a complete set. Number 2. Wheel Slogger. The wheel slogger is a useful tool for folks who fix and look after big vehicles like trucks, tractors, and harvesters. It makes taking off and putting on wheels easier, and you can set exactly how tight they should be, anywhere between 450 and 650 Newton meters. If you need even more power, the company can make a model that goes up to 1,000 Newton meters, but you have to ask for it. This tool isn't just useful, it also makes things safer because you don't have to struggle with long levers and risk hurting yourself. There's even a version that doesn't make sparks and has a copper head, which is better if you're working in tight spaces. With this tool, one person can get a lot of work done without any fuss. Number 1. Phoebe Joint Playtester. Now, let's look at the Phoebe Joint Playtester, a special tool for checking a car's chassis and steering, especially for axle issues. Surprisingly, it doesn't need power or air pressure to work. It's compact and can handle vehicles up to 7,700 pounds, making it versatile for various car jobs. This system lets you mimic different road situations, like cornering, to diagnose problems. You can easily show clients the results and explain the needed repairs. Designed by an experienced mechanic, it weighs around 141 pounds and costs $1,667. It's a handy tool for professional auto repair shops. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We have more amazing videos pinned for you, so be sure to check them out. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you next time on the channel.